Hello, I have recently comes to work with the OpenAI ChatGPT. Actually, I have used it a lot. For some reason, it is very useful for coding, and also it is not that kind of Google searching. Okay, so do it is an AI, artificial intelligence based system. Um, one from them, one is OpenAI ChatGPT. I think there is some, as there is some pros also, there are some cons also. Mainly the availability of AI based chat system is 24 into 7. Okay, it's allow the users to use them day and night. Okay, this is the a positive thing. And also it can handle a large volume of requests simultaneously. That means you can question for content and any coding from the Java, C++, Python, anything. Okay, it so it has high demand for writing that code also. And it has also efficiencies like AI chat system. Yeah, as being a chat system, it can handle simple queries and frequently asked question for freeing up humans, that mean ourselves, for handling the complex issues, some complex issues. I will show you some of some complex issues I have faced in my last 20 days, with for making a display board using new pixel new pixel LEDs, and controlling it using the serial monitor, serial read, because available libraries, that is the Adafruit matrix library, which were not working and was very slow for that. So I have gone through the fast LED library, and I have take the take the advantages of the chat gpt. So it is also very useful as the consistency, that is the AI based chat system can also deliver the consistent responses, experiences to users, also eliminating human errors and inconsistencies. Okay, but it also do some errors. That mean it also it also do some errors. Okay, and but we can teach him, we can teach the AI for improving it. And also it is also uses for the personalizations. The AI chat system can also learn from the past interactions. That is the I have typed that I want this one, I want this one, and also after checking that, I tell I I also edit that code that it's not working like that, you should do that also do. So he's also make the recipe, the code for myself, and improving also the AI system also. It gives me our us a good improved answer also. But what I want to say that it has some, it has the some lack of empathy. That means AI chat system lack of ability to empathize the users, which means make users feels uncomfortable, also dissatisfied with its interaction, because of many times it is failing what you want to do, what you want to do, but it's failing, and it will dissatisfied the person. But quite a it do a quite good things. Okay, but it has also limited out understandings. That is, while AI chat system are getting better for understanding the natural languages, they still are not understand the nuisance of language or context, leading to incorrect or irrelevant responses. That means, being an Indian, what I wrote in English is not that kind of the USA or or from European countries. So it has some of the limited understanding also, and the dependence of data also data dependence of data, as ChatGPT, I am using the free version. It can handles only 2022 or something like that. So the AI chat system is rely on data and algorithms to function, which may lead to bias, which may lead to the biased situations, or response data are incomplete. Okay, somehow if the data can be incomplete, it says that I have regenerate the response, cannot generate the response, and like that. Okay, but and the cons, I think that it is snatching the intelligence of the today's generation, because um, what the AI is handling is much easier to to give the pressure on your brain also. So I think um, ChatGPT is okay. Okay, let's show you some of my codes that I have worked today, um, and the interaction also. I am showing you the GPS the interaction also. Okay, I have done this work today. That means actually today is my rest day. So do I uh, spend a lot of time to make this? Okay, it's showing the time. Let's see. It's 9:53:25, just something else. I'm telling you that uh, it got the time. Okay, all right. Okay, now okay. The hardware is there is the hardware. There is the hardware I'm using, and this is the big hardware. Okay, the set of the LEDs, and here the ports. Here the ports are used. One is for ESP32, one is for Atmega 328PU, and I am using the software serial with the new 6M GPS, and here the ESP32 module is handling the LED board, and here the Atmega 328 Nano board is handling the GPS data. Okay, it's parsing the data from the GPS, that means this from the satellite, and it is converting that data and serially writing that data to the ESP module, so that it can show the data into the display. Okay, now I'm showing you the code. Okay, what I have done is to make this one. I've taken some help from the chat GPT, and I have tell him to using the tiny gps plus plus and software serial. Please please give me a code to show in hour, minute, and date and month in capital letter and Indian time standard 12 hours format. Okay, so what he has done is for me is that he had written a full code for me. Okay, and here the code was okay, but it is showing a plus 1 hour plus 1 hour to the time. So I have tell him that please elaborate this line. So he have elaborated that line with its intelligence. But somehow I have tell him that if 00 in GMT is GMT, then IST should be 5:30. So please give me a proper code to convert. Okay, then he have also converted it and give me a code for that. It's totally very awesome to say that how it's generating the codes. That's the power of AI, artificial intelligence, and the system that are made for today's generation. But it has a number of flaws in that codes. Okay, somehow it forget to add 30 minutes. Okay, and I have also and then it converts the UTC time to Indian Standard Time, adding 5 hours 30 minutes to the UTC time. Okay, so it's an experience to work with the chat gpt, and it helped me a lot. Thank you. This is a video for praising chat gpt, the AI, and I think the artificial intelligences are coming soon. What will do our next generation. Okay, thank you.